Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix AirDrops not working on an iPhone.
Fix 1. Turn on AirDrop and set visibility. Step 1. Open Settings, General AirDrop. Step 2. Select everyone for 10 minutes or contacts only. Fix 2. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Step 1. Open Control Center. Step 2. Turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on. Fix 3. Disable Personal Hotspot. Step 1. Go to Settings, Personal Hotspot. Step 2. Turn Allow Others to Join off. Fix 4. Turn off Airplane Mode. Step 1. Open Control Center. Step 2. Make sure Airplane Mode is off. Fix 5. Bring devices closer. Step 1. Keep both iPhones within 30 feet, 9 meters. Step 2. Make sure both screens are unlocked. Fix 6. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold power button. Step 2. Slide to power off, then turn it back on.